Hi everyone, welcome to Azure Managed Identity tutorial. I am Arke Das. In this tutorial, we will learn about Azure Managed Identity, its benefits, and the two different types of managed identities. Now, let's go into the details. Azure Managed Identity Overview. Azure Managed Identity eliminates the overhead of manually managing credentials, secrets, passwords, and keys within the application code. Azure Key Vault is an alternate solution for the credentials and secrets management, but still, applications need authentication to retrieve credentials from Azure Key Vault, while managed identities do not need this authentication process. Next, managed identities are automatically managed within Microsoft Entra ID, and the application can use them when connecting to resources that support Microsoft Entra authentication. Applications can use managed identities to obtain Microsoft Entra tokens without having to manage any credentials, secrets, keys, and passwords. Next, let's see some of the benefits of managed identities. Managed identities eliminate the process of storing the credentials within the application code, and there are no chances for password leaks. Second, the system-assigned managed identities are not even accessible to users. Third, managed identities can be used to authenticate any resource that supports Microsoft Entra authentication. The only action needed is assigning a correct role to the identity on the required resource using IAM. Fourth, there are no additional charges for using managed identities. Next, let's see the managed identity types. There are two types of managed identities. One is system assigned and another one is user assigned. And let's see one by one. System assigned. System assigned managed identity is tied to specific Azure resource such as virtual machine, Azure Function App, Azure App Service, and so on. It can be enabled directly on the resource. Once the system assigned managed identity is enabled on a resource, the service principal is created in Microsoft Entra ID for the identity, and the service principal is tied to the lifecycle of that Azure resource. The system assigned managed identity is deleted along with a resource deletion. That is, if you delete a resource, the system assigned managed identity also gets deleted. Next, user assigned. User assigned managed identity is created as a standalone Azure resource and assigned to one or more Azure resources. Once the user assigned managed identity is enabled, a service principal of a special type is created in Microsoft Entra ID for the identity, and the service principal is managed separately from the resources that use it. So that's the difference between system assigned and user assigned managed identity. User assigned managed identities can be used by multiple resources. As user assigned managed identities are used by multiple Azure resources, these are not deleted automatically along with the resource deletion, and they have to be deleted manually. That's all in this tutorial. Thank you very much for your time and patience in watching this video. A simple request, please like, subscribe and share to your friends if you found this video useful. Thank you once again.